Get right in there. How many casts? How many casts before the first one?
That's number 1.
I haven't seen anybody here all week, so.
That's right here, right now. After I roll my ankle severely.
Yep.
Oh. Nope.
I saw it though.
Looks like there's 2 of them there, didn't it? Maybe? Yeah.
Look at this
That'd be
guy.
a little chub, I think, though. I don't think that's a trout.
Chub's hitting your spinner
Lots
though?
of trout. That's 3.
3 what?
There's 2 that hit that first one. I'm counting those now.
Number 1. Took us
Perfect
30
little guy.
Took us 30 seconds.
Beautiful little guy. I forgot to wet my hands again. Car coming.
Uh-oh.
Is it her?
We're gonna give away our secret spot. Oh yeah.
See that one behind it? Tom, do you see it?
No, I
That's
don't.
a nice one right there. Right there.
Oh, you had one on right there, didn't you?
No, I'll leave.
Oh.
There's a nice one right there.
You get him.
Trying to hook you in the face.
Yeah, no, I better move just a little bit. Look at this beauty. a barbed wire fence, dog hair spinner.
Throw that thing in there. Garage sale special, try it.
This is usually covered in water. I remember I caught a trout one time and it hit that spinner. I mean, as soon as it nicked the water, almost like it caught it out of the air.
Yeah, when they're hungry and they're looking for it.
Wow. Should be one right here. I think we...
As a kid, I was fishing behind my grandparents' place and I was just floating a chunk of trout right now. And I actually watched the trout's nose break water real slowly.
Yeah.
Came up and grabbed it like
Really?
that. Yeah. Oh my god, it's probably just full of them in here. I'm gonna try on the
Backside. If I can get it close, but they should... Got a bad glare there. I can't see what's going on. There's just enough glare. I can't see what I got going on. Wow. I think we're gonna have to bail on this spot and go hit that other spot.
I can't believe there's nothing in here.
You catch one like the first cast.
There was that nice follow. I bet you that one behind it was probably 9 inches. It was a nice fish.
I think we're gonna hit this spot here and then we're gonna go check the next creek out. Same creek, just down the road a ways. Or we might go upstream, I don't know.
I don't know, Tom. I'm starting to get a little pessimistic about our...
Well, it doesn't make sense because you caught one right away. So they're biting.
hole is 4 foot deep. There should have been just packed in there. Oh, man.
I just don't know how far upstream you gotta walk before you get to those holes.
Well, how far? Oh, I got one there. Little tiny one. Fish on. Hopefully he's hooked all right.
Is that chub?
That's a trout.
Nope.
There you go.
There he goes. You gotta throw it in between the leaves, I think, to catch it. Catch him. Oops. Caught one. Didn't get it on camera though. So we got 3 of them, and they're all about 4 or 5 inches. Weird, we're only catching these dinkers.
Big start on getting their feedback now. You hooked all right?
Yeah. Lands right on a leaf.
What the hell, Tom? I'm not paying for your guide services. You want some up right up there?
That's where I caught him.
Right up there?
Yeah, it was up by his log. I was coming back from the log.
Right in the brush.
Wonder if trout like spinners with leaves hanging on the end of them. Should we just kind of carry this through to the corner, around the corner, and just walk the road back, or what?
Yeah, I can't believe there's got something else in there.
Well, yeah, his little brother. God.
I knew that was going to be an issue. This is smaller, yeah. Alright, buddy, hang on.
It's number 4.
Just a giant. Little buddy. Little buddy. Yeah, I guess what's driving the price up is raw land is.
I never thought I'd see the day land going as much up here as it does down south.
Yeah. What I mean, that would have been such a great spot to just, you know, especially nowadays because the road's gone absolutely crazy. Dead end road, no neighbors. Wake up every morning, go hit the trout creek really quick. Just nobody around. That's where I belong. You know?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
I know. But if you find something that you really like, you kind of got to jump on it now. Otherwise, it's only going to cost you more, or it's going to be gone. Wow, could have caught something there.
Yeah, that was a nice little presentation. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe they'll all be piled under that log down there, like cordwood. Rip them out of there for an hour straight. Perfect day though. It should bite. I don't know why. Have you seen it this low?
Oh yeah, yeah I have. I've seen it lower. No keepers. We're bailing on this spot. We're gonna go down same creek. Just gonna go down the road. I caught 5 though. All dinkers. Dave got 4. I got 1. We do keep track. All right, we just went down the road a few miles, same creek. This one's usually good for one trout right in this spot. But you know, I'm throwing a leopard frog right now, and I don't know if they're feeling leopard frogs. We'd always catch one right here. He ain't feeling the leopard frog. Try the grasshopper. Oh, Jesus. Laser beam right into the tree. My casting abilities are about a 2 right now. Wow. We're slaying
I don't know what's going on.
The baby trout.
Little trout. Oh, I call this a cookie. Oh, she's with me. I don't like this at all.
Well, I mean, the trout, the bait is as big as the trout. Nope, there's one. There's one. Oh, I got off. No, same thing. Need a leaf shield on the bait.
Little plow on there.
Maybe the trout are getting downwind of us and they don't. Oh.
Yeah, they're winding. How is there not a trout just hammering there? Oh, sorry.
I can get this. I got this. I just wanted you to.
Stuck
I wanted you to hit that first. That leaf right there. I don't want to pull too hard because then. Huh. Weird.
The other weekend I was in my little kayak. I pulled up I got snagged on like a little bog, you know, underneath. So I'm like struggling to pull it up and stuff. It's just a big blob of weed.
Yeah.
Pull it up in there. There was 3 freaking nice little crankbaits in there. I was like, oh hell yeah. Didn't catch a fish, but I got $25 worth of bait.
Our whole day was banking on this corner right here, so.
Yeah, these leaves ain't gonna help. There wasn't one single issue with my reel, and
Now you're in the honey hole at the one over.
I don't know, I'm having an issue.
What do you think? We fish this spot pretty good right here and then just go somewhere else?
Yeah,
No.
we haven't had much luck going south of here.
We didn't go real far down there,
No,
but.
a couple hundred yards maybe.
Just a dinker though. It's all we're catching is 4 inches, 5 inches. Oh, he let himself go, so. Another one.
Yeah?
He just missed it though. That one looked a little better. So that was the hole we were trying to get to, and there was 2 in there. We only caught the 1, but I don't know. We're gonna go try something else. We might go upstream back to where we originally were, but for some reason they're not biting. I don't know why. The water as low as it is. Thought maybe the color of the spinner, but So we went and got lunch. Give the fish a break. We were hitting them too hard, I guess. We went downstream earlier. We're gonna go upstream now. Supposed to be a couple good holes up in here. My neighbor told me about, so see if we can go find those. Maybe catch a couple good ones. I think we got 7 so far. All real small. Wow, that's
Trout, it's a trout too.
it's the smallest one of the day.
Oh, what are you doing, little fella?
Wow, like a 2-incher.
Yeah. I got 7.
Dave's killing me here. Killing me, Smalls.
Between all of them combined, I got 1 beef.
Oh, he hit.
They're under that tree.
Oh, there we go.
Is it better?
Yeah, I mean, bigger than what we were catching. By an inch.
Best spot so far.
Pretty.
Look at the top of its back. See that pattern?
Yeah.
What the hell?
He was super aggressive because he hit it twice and didn't get it.
We're just trying to fight your watch still, especially there. I don't know, my reel feels like an emergency brake.
There it is.
Super annoying.
Oh, he hit it again.
Oh, you did it?
There, I got him.
Oh, nice. There we go.
That's a better one.
Yep. Oh yeah, good card over too. Yeah,
That's a nice.
the ones we normally catch.
That's a nice trout. That's a real nice trout.
This hook's good too. Look at that. A native? I mean, he's native?
Look at how dark he is.
Yeah, I think he's native. I think that's what that means.
Hold on, buddy.
You get off?
And I hooked myself.
Oh!
Yeah.
8.6.
And I lost one. It should be
Yeah.
8.7.
Yeah.
I knew he was good when I saw him come right out of the water the first cast. What do you think he was, 9?
I bet you, yeah, 8.5, 9.
Pretty
Might
one.
have a great color on him.
That was a pretty one, yeah.
I'm pretty sure they have like that, those black marks, like right here in the black mouth. That's a native for sure.
Might be 1, 2 on the other side of that rock.
That one that Bo caught, remember how black that
Yeah.
was?
Got to be another.
There's one. Decent.
I was gonna say there had to be another one in there.
Oh, you got good colored one too. Oh.
Didn't land him. Didn't land him. Don't count.
Got him?
Yeah. All right. Getting a little bit bigger ones. Come on, buddy. Not huge, but getting better. From what we were catching earlier. Dave, you wanna
All right.
come over here with your?
You got him?
Yep, got him. Get out of here, buddy.
All right, it's tied up.
8-8. At one point I was down, I think 7-2.
not happy. That's why I was thinking about switching to that grasshopper.
He's like, I'd like to have my leprechaun bait back.
Leprechaun. That's a good name for that one.
This is Dave's bait.
Oh yeah, actually.
Because my garage sale spinner wasn't spinning.
And Dave's snag. Yeah, technically I'm up 16.
Yeah. But they're hitting way better now.
Yeah, they're out in the middle. It's shallow for some reason. I don't know.
I mean, this could be, there was less fishing pressure here, but this morning they just, even the few that we had a few follow-ups, like they just didn't want it. They're hitting better now. Usually, I mean, like a 9-incher is pretty good trout.
Yeah.
Usually we catch a lot of 7s and 8s. But when you're catching, the first 10 we caught were all 4-inchers. That's just weird. So. Well, I didn't get it on video, but I just took the lead 9-8. And that prompted Dave to switch his color of his spinner back to his grasshopper color.
Yeah, it is.
So this green leprechaun's been just slaying.
I'm switching to my green, yellow, and red grasshopper pattern.
And I tricked him earlier to go to a different color just so I could catch up. Well, it worked. So now he's bringing out the big gun again. Now the trout are biting. Oh, there's one behind you. He's following it.
Yeah, I got it. I see it. Oh,
He looked pretty decent too. Oh, you got him. Look how dark he is.
look how thick he is in the middle.
Man, he followed that all the way up. I was watching him. That was crazy.
Oh,
you hooked him. No way. That was not purposeful. He was following his bait all the way up. And he must have hit it as you were pulling it out of the water.
Got him in the fin. Easy, buddy. Easy. Look how orange he is, though.
Yeah.
Nice color.
That was crazy, though. He followed him from way up here. We watched him, or I watched him all the way to there.
You're going to rip yourself apart, bud. Just easy.
There's one.
Nice.
Got off. Just a tiny one. There's another one. Got off. Might have been the same one. That's not the one that I rolled here. This one's just dinky.
There you go.
Dave got him. Yep, that's the one. Same color. He was real white, I could tell.
11s?
11s. Action really picked up. Oh! Man, he hit that crazy though. I like when they come at it sideways. Dave, you might need your tongs on this one too. I need to get a pair of those. It's a little deeper, but I don't think it's...
Let me switch it again. Put him down here.
No, he come and he hit that sideways like a shark would, you know?
Yeah.
That looks good up there. He hit it right here.
12-11.
Should we show our athleticism? Get up on the log? Cast from the log?
Yeah, I think you should. I think you should do that.
Dave's younger. He can. If Dave can do it, then I promise you
I'm walking out there.
I can't.
You barely get over.
Oh, look at this. Oh, it snipes it. You gonna snipe that trout. Snipe that trout. Look at Dave. There it is.
I got a leaf on me.
Yeah, a leaf is it's a cast killer.
Oh, there he is.
No.
Biggest one of the day.
Oh, I just had a hit too.
Oh, it's a nice
Oh yeah, it's Dave's nicest one. I hope I got that.
Everybody, hang on, hang on.
That's Dave's biggest of the day.
That's a nice little one. 9 incher, 8 9 incher.
Yeah, it's a pretty one.
Oh, he's got a black mouth on him too, Tom.
And he hit right at the bank.
Right here, yeah.
As we were discussing, Dave could not get over the log. He lands his biggest of the day.
Let me work on you.
I'm just going to cast over your head, so no sudden movements. Oh, there's another one in there. He's following me.
Ah, that's a beautiful fish. 13?
13s. We got to find some deeper water so we can get some fish with some size. I think we got two that are around that 9-inch, 8-9-inch, which is nice trout, but be nice to catch something over 10. I know that don't sound big, but it is for this small stream here. Keep going a little bit. Another one. Oh my God, this is gonna be a small one of the day. Look at this, Dave. Look at this.
We've had that size. We've had a couple of that size.
Are you serious?
I think so. Well, maybe.
Come on, Dave. Look at this. That's 4 though right here. Did we find the spot?
Yeah, I think you're right. It's that shade, that edge of that shade. I'm not kidding. I'm about to take this reel off and throw it in the woods.
Wow, are you small? I don't know if the camera could pick that one up. Another bite.
That'll get one there.
Feel like there could be a big one in here. Caught 2 before I even turned the camera on. Gotta try to get it a little closer to the bank. I think if you're gonna get a big one, it's gotta be up against the bank. Problem is that's where all the leaves are. This might be a good stretch the whole way. What's this, 5 or 6 out of here? Yeah, I wasn't pulling too hard on him. Kind of dead water, but all the trout might have congregated here. Feel like if a guy can get that right cast right next to the bank, you might be able to get a big one. So many leaves though. I caught a leaf though. Just enough to, they won't bite it when that happens. Another one.
You're destroying me. I think I'm still stuck on 14.
I think this is 17 right here. A little nicer one. Easy, easy. This is the stretch we've been waiting for, though. It's a pretty fish. Nice and orange. Another one. Oh, Dave, this is a better one. I'm gonna probably pull it up on the bank here. Feels a little heavier.
It's a nice one, yeah. Right front of the mouth, see what looks right.
This might be definitely one of the bigger ones. You wanna? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Over 9.
Over 9?
9.5.
Oh wow.
Probably just as big as that other one. Get it up, you know, they're in here. This is where all the trout are, I guess. That's like 7 trout right here in this little stretch. Kind of dead water.
Yeah, this is the spot.
Yeah, that's probably 10. That's probably 10 through this stretch.
Probably, yeah.
Don't need that wind to start though. Oh. Yep. Yep. Not big, but feels heavier. Not a 4-incher, but not too big. I lost track. I think it's somewhere around 20 to 14. We do keep track. We can stop counting now. Now that we're catching fish.
Yeah, I don't know if let's keep track from that on. Oh, there I go. Oh,
Come on, Dave. You gotta get one on camera here.
the rod just loads right up. There, that one. That's a decent one.
Oh yeah.
Swimming right towards me too. Don't fight, buddy, because my reel's not gonna handle it. It's a nice pretty one.
Oh, get your hands on, Dave.
Stay on. Let me get a look at you.
I got your rod.
Oh, he's a pretty one too.
Get your hands on, man.
Come here, bud. Little fucker.
That might be the biggest one.
Look how he's hooked.
Oh gosh, hang on to him. Get a good show.
That's a pretty fish. Look how red his fins are.
Measure him.
What was that?
9.
Yeah, by 9.5 maybe. It was well past. Yeah, 9.5.
All
That
right.
felt good.
Yeah.
Worried my reel wasn't gonna.
All the trout are in this. All the trout are in this hole. That was the best stretch so far. We're gonna keep going here until it either dies off or we just say we're done. So, hoping to find some more shade. 'Cause they haven't been biting in the sunny areas. Everything's been shady.
Shady and tight to the bank.
Should be one here. I don't snag. There he is. Oh, he came back. He missed it, and then he came back. Another little guy. God, you think there'd be one big one underneath that?
Little black mouth on.
Oh, there we go.
That one? Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, it is. He didn't fight though. I didn't feel very good. Yeah, it's a nice one there. Hold on, buddy. 8-incher probably.
Oh, nice one. Just off. Look at mine. Nice inside.
He's coming to you, Dave. See him?
Yep.
Ooh, there we go. First cast.
Good.
Better fish. Go ahead, Dave.
On this side of the log.
You hit that like a ton of bricks. Gotta be more than one the way he hit. Ah, dang it. It's no good way. Look at that. See that? I had a bite.
Bag there on the water there. I
Oh,
can't see it.
oh! I don't know how I can get it through there. There's like a limb every direction. Another bite. Another tick, another tick. Come on, dude. There, I got you. A little better. Nothing big, but
I love the colors.
they're just tick, 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 tick is all he was doing.
Oh, you idiot, Dave. Why don't you get it up way over there?
You got your...
Players?
Boy. Get out of here. Yeah.
Oh,
See that?
see that big butt jump?
Yep.
On that
Oh.
one right there.
Go ahead.
I don't even know if I can catch it that far. My line's all messed up now. What all you?
Is that another one? Another one. Ooh, this one's pulling good.
I got the,
Double?
I got his brother right behind him.
That's a good trout right here, Dave.
Let's see what's nice here. Nice here.
2 trout together. Call that a trout double? They had just jumped.
Simultaneously.
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh, come on. There, I got you. Another probably 9-incher. Damn you. And they don't let you lay them down nice.
Come on, bud. Hey. Oh, he's hooked in there pretty good.
Throw it up there again. Get him. Nice.
Nice little, oh,
Like 8.5. No, better than 6. We're gonna call him 8. Another one. Oh, lost him.
And something just like that.
I don't know.
Turn right on.
Yeah, this might be a good little last stretch to end on here. Oh, there he got it. Wow, these are all better ones, like than what we've normally been catching. They're not big, but I mean they're nice.
Oh, I just turned him on that size too. He's right here. He waited for the last second to swipe at it and changed his mind.
God dang you, Trout. Get out of there. There he goes. You try to be gentle and then you're too gentle with them and they jump out of your hand.
Huh. Okay. There's one more in there though.
Another one.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice, Tom.
What a good hole here.
Yeah.
They're all, 7, 8 inches. Another nice one.
How fun is that, huh?
Yeah.
5 of them out of this hole or so?
Looks like it might be decent all the way through that. We've been having the best luck in kind of like dead, we call it dead water, This would be chub fest if you had a crawler in here. But the water's so low everywhere else, it seems like they're congregating in this deeper dead water.
The better sized fish anyway.
Yeah. We caught plenty of dinkers in the current, but they were all just tiny. Oh, that's a good one.
Up nice.
That's a good one, Dave.
Oh yeah, he is. Holy shit, that's a real nice one. That's a real nice brookie. That's the nicest one of the day. Easy.
Oh, easy. Oh, come here, buddy. If he's gonna let us grab him though.
So it doesn't hook you. Want me to grab him?
Here, grab this.
It's a 12-incher maybe, huh? 11?
Get him on camera before I lose him. Oh, he just bit me.
Yeah, you're right. There's one more big one in there. That one looks native too.
Boy, can I get a good shot of him? What is he, Dave? Oh, he's way past.
So he's looking about
11?
Yeah, maybe 11. 10 3/4.
Oh, he's biting the hell out of me though. Good trout. I knew there had to have been one good one somewhere. Well, if this is our last hole, we've got maybe 10 out of here. Close to it. That was the biggest trout of the day. By far. Where there's one big one, there's 2 or 3 other big ones though. Says me.
That's who whacked me and then upset there. Wow.
There's another one in there yet. I'm scared to move forward.
Yeah, I know. You kind of like want to kind of keep trying, a few feet.
If they keep hitting though. You were spot on with what you thought though, like the water being so low. If you find that those spots where they're at, you're gonna catch a lot.
bit deeper water.
And we've 3 different spots now. It's kind of dead water like this, and been catching a lot of trout. We're probably pushing 40 right now, 40 trout.
I might have 16, 18 somewhere in there. But, yeah, we got to be 40 plus. Huh.
Well, maybe get past this limb right here. I don't know.
We got this limb here, but behind that, you know, dead water yet.
I think this dead water, we should do all this dead water right here and see what it looks like. I don't know, they're just hammering this bait.
Yeah, that's
He was just waiting for all of his buddies to go, and then he's like, well, I better go too.
That one's in there. Oh, there he is. I saw that. That was cool.
Try this one last spot here. Caller a day. Caught probably roughly 40 fish. That's pretty damn good. Finally got into some nice ones. Ooh. You'll get them on this next cast. He had a little snag there and one come up. I'm good. It's probably like after
steps in today.
Yeah, started slow, but man, we poured it on when we came up upstream.
After lunch, it was a different ballgame. 40 plus fish.
Yeah.
Total inches, we're looking at probably still 40 inches.
100 inches. A lot of fun. Fall trout fishing. A couple weeks before season ends. Yeah, low water.
Great time.
The old Dave. Jerky Dave.